Hey everyone, it's Nick Lefebvre, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with voice typing in Google Docs. So I've got a new doc open, and I'm going to come up here to the menu bar and click on Tools. And then I'm going to come down here and select Voice Typing. Now that this little microphone has popped up, I'm going to click and drag it out of the way. So for today's example, I'm going to use one of the most famous run-on sentences of all time, the preamble to the U.S. Constitution. And to start voice typing, I'm just going to come down here and click on this microphone. We the people of the United States, comma, in order to form a more perfect union, comma, establish justice, comma, ensure domestic tranquility, comma, provide for the common defense, comma, promote the general welfare, comma, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, comma, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America, period. As you can see, it's really quite accurate. You probably noticed that it understands when you want to add punctuation by saying things like period or comma. But you can also use voice commands to navigate and edit your document by saying things like new line or new paragraph, or delete or backspace. I could have even stopped my recording just by saying stop listening instead of clicking on the microphone. You can find a complete list of voice commands by clicking on this question mark that's right here beside the microphone. Or you can turn the microphone back on and say voice commands to pull up the complete list. So there you have it. I'm a big fan of voice typing and see a lot of possibilities for using it in the classroom, from an accessibility standpoint to providing student feedback. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and thanks for watching. Be sure to check out edtechpicks.org for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials for busy teachers.